Appear weak when you are strong and strong when you are weak if you know the enemy and know yourself. You need not fear the results of 100 battles, let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night.
Antwchen ją mowę fallike at Thunderbolt in the midst of chaos there is also opportunity victorious warriors win first. Antwchen gotowar 043 w chwilę defeated warriors gotowar first. Antwchen selecto win. To knof your enemy. You must become your enemy. There is no instance of a nation benefiting from prolonged warfare. Treat your men. As you vote your own beloved sons. And they will follow you into the deepest valley. Even the finest sword plunged into salt water will eventually rust. Move swift as the wind. And slowly formed as the wood. At that click the fire and be still as the mountain. Opportunities multiple as they are. Seized. They are not more than five musicals. Notice. Yet the combinations of these five give rise to more melodies. Tchanca never be heard. When the enemy is relaxed. Make him toil. When full. Starved him. When settled. Make him move. Wucha wishes to ficht must first so und de. Cost. If you wait by the river long enough. The bodies of your enemies will float by. Knof you and you will win all battles. To win 100 victories in 100 battles. Is not the aim of skill. To subdue the enemy without fighting is. The aim of skill. Build your opponent a golden bridge to retreat at Ross. Be extremely subtle. Even to the point of formlessness. Be extremely mysterious even to the point of soundlessness. Thereby you can be the director of the opponent's fate. The whole secret is in confusing the enemy. So that he can not fat homo or real intent. Had the ancient sallet at slever. Fichter. Is on WHO not only wins, but excels in winning with hase. Rouse him. And learn the principle of his activity. Or inactivity. Force him to reveal himself. So as to find out his vulnerable spots. You have to believe in yourself. If the mind is willing, the flesh soul go on and on without many things. Who's the expert in battle moved the enemy? And is not moved by him. Attack is the secret of defense. Defense is the planning of an attack. Great results can be achieved with small forces. Ponder and deliberate before you make a move. If quick I survive. If not quick I am lost. This is death. Ultimate excellence is not in winning every battle, but in defeating the enemy without ever fighting. If you ignore both your enemy and yourself, you are certain to be in peril.